my name is Venkat, and I came to know Max through Google. Basically, like Google பார்த்தா வந்தேன், and I came here and met Esther, and yeah, it was very welcoming, and they were like pretty knowledgeable, and they told me what needs to be done and how it can be done easily. So கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியாக தான் இந்த process. என்னோட surgery hair transplant was done on Thursday பண்ணாங்க, and the doctors were pretty good. I had a good experience, and I think I'm back here for the follow-up head wash. So far everything went well, and hopefully we will achieve what we came for, and thanks to Max.